नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, कसे आहात? यापूर्वी 27 ऑक्टोबरला आपण रिव्हिजनचा व्हिडिओ टाकलेला होता. त्यानंतर आज आपण जवळपास 3 आठवड्यांनी पुढचा व्हिडिओ घेत आहे. मधल्या कालावधीमध्ये आपली ऐच्छिक सराव परीक्षा झाली, प्रॅक्टिस एक्झाम झाली. त्यानंतर तुमचा आवडता सण दिवाळी झाला, त्याची तुम्ही सुट्टी घेतलेली आहे. काही मुलांनी अभ्यास त्या सुट्टीमध्ये केला असेल, काही मुलांनी केला नसेल. पण दिवाळी हा सण बाळांनो प्रत्येक वर्षी येतो. 10वीची एक्झाम ही प्रत्येक वर्षी येत नाही आणि म्हणून दिवाळीच्या सुट्टीमध्ये सुद्धा आपण एक प्रकारचे रिव्हिजन करणं अपेक्षित होतं. काही मुलं असतील त्यांनी केली असेल, काही मुलांनी केली नसेल, तर पुन्हा आपण करूया. साधारण दिवाळीच्या सुट्टीमध्येच आपल्याला शासनाची वेगवेगळी पत्र येत होती आणि त्याप्रमाणे तुमच्या शाळेच्या ग्रुपवरती तुम्हाला सूचना दिल्या जात होत्या. एक तुमच्या आवडीची सूचना अशी होती की आजपासून 23 नोव्हेंबर पासून आपली शाळा सुरू होणार होती, असे शासन आदेश आपल्याला प्राप्त झाले होते. शासनाच्या आदेशाप्रमाणे आम्ही सगळं नियोजनही केलेलं होतं. शाळेचं पूर्ण नियोजन झालेलं होतं की शाळा आजपासून कशा पद्धतीने सुरू करायची. तुम्हाला त्या सूचना सुद्धा तुमच्या वर्गाच्या ग्रुपवरती वर्ग शिक्षकाने दिलेल्या होत्या. परंतु पुन्हा या रोगाचा प्रसार होत असल्याने शासनाने स्थानिक अधिकाऱ्यांवर हे निर्णय सोपवले आणि आपल्या महानगरपालिकेच्या आयुक्तांनी आणि पालकमंत्र्यांनी पुन्हा असा निर्णय घेतला की पनवेल महानगरपालिकेमधल्या शाळा 23 नोव्हेंबरला चालू करायच्या नाहीत. त्यामुळे काल संध्याकाळी तुम्हाला ती सूचना तुमच्या वर्ग शिक्षकांनी दिली असेल की शाळा आजपासून सुरू होणार नाही. म्हणून आपले हे व्हिडिओ पुन्हा आपण सुरू करणार आहोत. पण काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही मुलांना, आपला अभ्यास व्यवस्थित सुरू आहे. जी मुलं सेन्सिटिव्हली करत असतील त्यांना व्हिडिओ असू द्यात किंवा समोरासमोर असू द्या, काही फरक पडणार नाही. आपण याची सवय करून घेऊया. जसे कोरोनाची सवय करून घेऊन लोकांनी अनलॉक केलेलं आहे आणि आपले कामं करतायत, त्याप्रमाणे आपण त्याची सवय करून घेऊया. पण बाहेर कुठे फिरायचं नाही, अत्यावश्यक कामासाठीच बाहेर जाणे. अन्यथा आई वडील सांगतील त्याप्रमाणे घरात थांबवून आणि शिक्षक सांगतील त्याप्रमाणे आपण अभ्यासाला नक्की सुरुवात करणार आहात आणि केलेली असेल सुद्धा. त्यामुळे काही घाबरून जाण्याचं कारण नाही. परीक्षेच्या संदर्भामध्ये मी तुम्हाला यापूर्वी सांगितलं होतं की जर शाळा आजपासून सुरू झाली असती आणि 10वीची परीक्षा आता शिक्षण मंत्र्यांनी सांगितली की मे महिन्यामध्ये होण्याची शक्यता आहे. मग गेल्या वर्षीपर्यंत असं होतं की 15 जून पासून शाळा सुरू होत्या आणि 1 मार्चला परीक्षा सुरू होत असे. 5 महिने अभ्यासाला मिळत होते आणि अजून सुद्धा आपल्याला 5 महिने अभ्यासाला मिळत आहेत. त्यामुळे तुमचा अभ्यास कमी नाही तर दुप्पट होणार आहे. त्यामुळे आपण कुठंही मनानं खचून जायचं नाही. ज्यावेळेला आपण मनानं खचून जातो ना, त्यावेळेला संकटावर मात करण्याचं सामर्थ्य आपल्यामध्ये निर्माण होत नाही. आणि म्हणून मनानं खचून जायचं नाही, आपण करत राहायचं. आपला अभ्यास चांगला आणि चांगलंच होणार आहे, याच्यावर माझी खात्री आहे. आपण पुन्हा आपल्या विषयाकडे वळूया. फर्स्ट सेमिस्टरमध्ये फर्स्ट टर्ममध्ये 4 चॅप्टर कंप्लीट केलेले आहेत. दॅट इज मॅथ्स 1 4th chapter, that is the financial planning we have completed. But in new instruction, financial planning is omitted from the syllabus. Now next chapter is probability. Now this is the new concept for this year. The old concept of probability is not in your 9th or 8th standard. That's why I am saying you the probability is the new concept for this year. This word is related to possibility and you know the meaning of possibility. That's why you try to understand the concept of probability. Before that, read the page number 113, 114 and 115. You can try to understand. You can easily understand the concept of the probability. You know the possibility. There are some examples of possibility in our textbook. Most probably the rain will start from today. I will surely get first class. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. These are the examples of possibilities. If we measure the possibility, that is called as probability. If we measure the possibility, that is called as probability. There is one simple example. If we toss a coin, what will happen there? There are 2 possibilities. Which are these? Head or tail turns up. When if we tossing a one coin, there are two possibilities and one probability. Head or tail turns up are the possibilities if we toss a coin. Then what is the probability? Head or tail turns up is the 50% probability or 50% probability, and possibility head or turn. And head turn, when head turn, what is the probability? The 50% probability. That is called as the probability, and that is the difference between the possibility and probability. Now there is one new concept, that is the random experiment. In science textbook, you know the science experiment, and now here we have to see first the difference between the science experiment and random experiment. You know, in science experiment we can predict the result before experiment. In science experiment we can predict the result before experiment. Suppose that ferrous sulfide is treated with HCl, hydrochloric acid. Ferrous sulfide is treated with hydrochloric acid. That means FeS plus twice HCl. That gives FeCl2 plus H2S plus H2. Hydrogen gas is occur and ferrous chloride is formed. That means before reaction we can predict the result. Ferrous sulfide is treated with hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. We know ferrous sulfide is FeS plus HCl, that is FeCl2, ferrous chloride. That means if we compare the product FeCS, FeS plus twice HCl, that gives FeCl2 plus H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas will be occur. That means, what is I am saying you? Here we can predict the result before experiment, that is called as the science experiment. And in random experiment we cannot predict the result. If we toss the coin, if we toss a die, we cannot predict head or tail turns up. Means we cannot predict the result. That experiment is called as random experiment, and we can predict the result. That experiment is called as the science experiment. That is the difference between the science experiment and random experiment. Here we see the random experiment in concern with chapter probability. Then outcome. Outcome means result of random experiment is known as outcome. If we toss a coin, what will be the result there? Head or tail turns up. These are the outcomes, and this is called the result of random experiment. Then equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcomes. That is the difference between the example of if we toss a die and if we toss a coin. Read these two examples and try to understand the meaning of equally likely outcomes. And then there is one practice set 5.1. There is first question is how many possibilities are there in each of the following? How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Open your textbook. Read all the theories first. Write the meaning of these points, and then you can easily solve the practice set 5.1. See first carefully here. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Number 1 is Vinita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandvan. How many sites are there? How many points are there? There are 8 points. She will visit each point in one summer. That means how many possibilities are there? There are 8 points. That means there are number of possibilities is equal to 8. You can write yourself this answer. Then second one, any day of week is to be selected randomly. any day of a week is to be selected randomly. How many days in single week? Yes, there are 7 days. That means she will randomly one day. She will select one day randomly. That means how many possibilities are there? 7 possibilities, because there are 7 days in a week. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. She will select one card at a time. How many cards are there? 52 cards. That means how many possibilities are there? 52 possibilities are there, because she will select one card at a time. And how many cards are there? 52 cards are there. Then fourth one, the number of 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Now try to tell me how many cards are there. The numbers from 10 to 20. 10, 11, 39, last one is 20. How many cards are there? 11 cards are there. So we will select one card at a time. How many cards are there? 11 cards. She will select one card at a time. How many possibilities? And that's why number of possibilities of select one card is equal to 11. Very simple answers. And this is the last example of practice set 5.1. And then you can write, you can solve practice set 5.1 yourself. Now there is one next point is very important point for probability. Sample space. Sample space, that is the set of possible outcomes. The set of possible outcomes. If we toss a single coin, how many outcomes are there? There are 2 outcomes, and therefore sample space is denoted by S or omega. Sample space S denoted by S or omega. Here we can use the letter S for sample space. And if we write the sample space, S is equal to, it is in curly bracket. If we toss a one coin, how many outcomes are there? 2 outcomes. Which are these? Head or tail turns up, means H, T bracket complete. This is called a sample space of the random experiment when one coin is tossed. H and T, how many points are there? 2. These points are called as sample points, and it is written as to be N of S is equal to 2. This is called as sample space of the random experiment whose the one coin is tossed. If the one coin is tossed, the sample space S is equal to in bracket HT, because there are 2 outcomes only and N of S is equal to 2. Now take a simple and second example and last example of this lecture. If a die is thrown, how many spaces for die? There are 6 spaces. If a die is thrown, then how many sample points are there? 6 sample points. Means we can write sample space S is equal to in bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And N of S is equal to 6. This is the sample space of when the die is thrown. And that's why in your textbook, write the definition of sample space on page number 116, and there is one chart related to sample space. There are some examples. There is one chart in your textbook on page number 117. Try to complete this chart, and then next pair we are going to solve practice set 5.2 in next period. Okay, very good.